Yeah, friends, we are going to discuss about Java language. Here, this is a web technologies. This company is providing for e-learning classes in C language, Java, .NET, and databases in Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server. Today, we are going to see about Java language. So, what is the Java language? Java language is nothing but it is a computer language. It is used to develop the software. So Java is a high level language which is easy to understand and is secureable, and it is a object oriented programming. And the language which is object oriented programming, it is used to develop for real time entities, like we are using for washing machine. In washing machine, we are giving for we are switched on and we are just giving the instruction. It is automatic. So washing machine for washing the clothes, we are just like plug in and giving the instruction like switched on the speed or high. This is the things is nothing but automation. For real time entities, we are using for real time entities, easy to understand or easy to develop for automatically, we are using for Java language. The thing is, when you go for understanding for Java language, first we have to understanding about machine level language and human level language. When you are going with human level language, there are different kind of human level languages. The human level languages are English, Hindi, Arabic. So these things we are using to communicate with each other. Whatever we are speaking in English, we can easy to speak in Hindi and Arabic. When the person is understanding Hindi, Arabic, he can easy to speak. Like for English language, if we want to speak, we have to know about the grammar of English language. Then only we are easy to understand. For speaking for English language, we need for subject, verb, and object for simple statement. For further statements, we have to understanding about English grammar. Then only we can easy to speak about English language. Likewise, to communicate with computer or to work with computer for user required task, we have to develop for software. The software is developed by using the machine level languages. So the machine level languages are C, C++, Java, and C sharp. So every machine level language have own syntaxes, own features. But according to user requirements, we have to use for different machine level languages. So today we are going to discuss about Java language. So what is the Java and where we are using the Java language? So Java is a language which is developed by the Sun Microsoft system. According to Sun, there are 3 billion devices are used for Java language in real time. There are many devices where Java is currently used. Some of them they are using for desktop application and web application, web enterprise applications, mobile applications. So what is the desktop application? In desktop application is nothing but standalone application. It is also known as desktop application. The application which is used for Windows based or only one system based, those are comes under standalone application. So for example, for standalone applications are VLC player, Windows WordPad, and Windows Paint. These are comes under desktop applications. So whenever we are using for Paint or WordPad, we have to install the system. So these applications used for one system only. The application only used for desktop level or Windows based, those are comes under standard application. When you are coming into the web application, an application that runs on server side and creates dynamic page is called web application. An application that runs on server side and create dynamic page is called web application. So in web application, examples are Gmail, Yahoo, and like some online applications, online marketing, e-learning, all are comes under web application. When you are coming to the enterprise application, an application that is used for distributed in nature, such as banking application and trademark applications. Those applications comes under enterprise application. The application which is used for distributed purpose is comes under enterprise application. So in these applications we are using for different kind of Java technologies. Example, EJB. EJB is used for creating for enterprise application. And when you are using for web application, an application that is created for mobile devices is nothing but mobile application. For example, Android. Nowadays we are using for smartphones. So these in smartphones they are using for Android technologies. Android technologies is developed for web like mobile related applications. The in mobile related application, if we are seeing about WhatsApp and mobile video player, those things is developed using Android technologies. Inside the Android technology they are using for Java language. So the language which is mainly using to is mainly using to develop for instructions for machine devices, developed for instructions for hardware devices. If you want to develop for any kind of hardware related instructions, we need machine level language instructions. If you want to develop the machine level language, we have to understand the syntax about machine level languages. So in Java there are different features. Like Java is a language which providing different kind of features. So what are the features we are seeing in today? And Java is a simple, it is easy to understand, and we are easy to write the program. And Java is a object oriented. So object oriented. So what is the object, what is the oriented, we will see in the later classes. But the feature of the Java is a object oriented, because every instruction is working with objects. There is no procedural. So every instruction is working with object, and it is a platform independent. Platform independent means the software or the instructions which should be executable for any operating system. So there are different kind of operating system. Examples like Windows, Linux, Mac operating systems. So Java can be used for all the operating system. How Java is a platform independent, we will see in the later classes. And it is a securable. Whatever we are giving the instruction, you should not be disturbed by the any other people. So it is very securable. If any problem occurred, it is easy to understand, easy to simple. Robustness is very easy. Robustness means we can easy to troubleshoot the problems, and it is a portable. We can easy to transfer from one place to another place, and it is a dynamic and interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed. How Java is providing these features, we are seeing in the next classes. So Java is a software, Java is a language which is used to develop the mission level instructions. The instruction is nothing but user required things. The instruction is developed by using the language syntax. So whenever we are going to develop the any instruction, first you have to know the some basic level instructions. So basic level things. So when you are going to develop for any program or any instruction or any code, first you have to know about the basic level of fundamentals. The basic level fundamentals are identifier. The basic level fundamentals are identifiers and keywords. So what do you mean by identifier? Identifier is nothing but is a name which is the combination of alphanumeric or special characters. So some identifiers are already is inbuilt in the Java platform. Those identifiers comes under keywords. We will see about the what are the identifiers and what are the keywords. So in this one, Java is a high level software, and the simple Java class is looking like this one. So in this one, in this Java class, in Java program, class simple, and the name here we will see these things in the classes.